everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout, and today I am doing a layout about a little winter Easter egg hunt that I helped participate in earlier in January of this year. So I'm kind of playing around with spacing and that kind of thing, and I decided that I want to do 2 photos with a journaling card on this paper. This aqua paper is from Echo Park, A Perfect Winter, and it's the Snowflake Swirls paper. So just kind of getting a measurement here, and I'm going to use the 2 snowflake papers, one on top of the other. They're not from, or those are from the same collection. Sorry, they are from the same collection. The winter snippets card that you see there, that 4x6 card, is from Ellie Studio. That is not from the same collection. That's the piece that isn't, and it's where the title comes from. It's pretty prevalent, so I decided to use it just as part of the title. And then I'll just go trim that up. I had 4 photos here, so I wanted to try to get them all on one page. This was a Rotary function. My boyfriend is involved in Rotary, and sometimes I go volunteer and help with Rotary functions as well. I've done this a couple of times now. I think I have another one that I need to do the layout on from last fall yet, but this is this one. So now I'm kind of playing. I like the photo of just kind of the eggs, and it was called the penguin egg hunt because we did it in the winter, so as opposed to just an Easter egg hunt. But anyway, I like the eggs, but I didn't want to use that whole photo because it was too big for the space, I thought. So I just cut it to a 4x4, and I like the way that's going to line up next to this, the photos on the right side now. I'm just kind of playing with how things line up here. And I'm getting some space in between the edge of the photo of the 3 characters because of the fact that it was on top of the mat versus tucked in underneath the 4x6 card. So once I do that, I'm a lot happier. The other thing I do is I bring the bottom photo up just a little bit so that you're not seeing all that extra space of grass, which is totally unimportant to the photo. It actually, I think, is a better photo trimmed up a little bit, which I didn't actually trim it, but hidden. That's hidden. So I'm having a little bit of a hard time. I'm not quite sure how much space I want on the right of this until I get these photos down, and so that's why I'm kind of playing around with this a little bit to decide. I don't want the borders on the mat to be the same as the border on the far right side there, so I'm aware of that as I'm doing this. So I go through and make that border there just a little bit smaller. I also have the border on the side of that winter snippets card, so I also don't want that to be kind of the same size either. That's the other thing, is that I'm aware of as I'm doing this as well. All right, so I have that. Now the photos are all done. So 4 photos on one page, yay, on a one-page layout. It can be hard to do because they take up a lot of real estate. So then I'm kind of looking, and I knew I had these 2 characters that are also appearing in the characters here. So one is obviously a snowman, the other is a penguin, and those are the A Perfect Winter element stickers. So I really like that. And then I had those puffy stickers there from Ellie Studio. They're a remnant, so I want to use those. And then I just added this other sticker that says Winter Happiness from the element stickers from A Perfect Winter as well. And decided to kind of use that just to add a little something up there, so I have a triangle of embellishments here. Just checking, this is that sticker sheet. So just checking, I was very aware that I didn't want any red. A lot of times I like to use red. The snowman is wearing a purple scarf, so I kind of wanted to use purple here. And I had these pieces from this old Ellie Studio winter puffy sticker set, which is from 2018, so it needs to get used up, right? And there was quite a bit of purple in this, and so I thought this was awesome because I could use hearts and asterisks here and get all the purple on there. I did use a gray heart as well too, which is fine. I think it blends in really well, but I was like, yay. I finally used this purple up because, you know, it's hard to, there aren't many collections with purple in it. So I was really pleased that that happened. All right, you guys, here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.